Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. Mine started off brilliantly. Got a lovely day in Namibia. The sun is behind the clouds. It's cool, it's lovely, and I'm off on my way to Windhoek. A couple of things I need to go do there. First off, I need a giant ass shifting spanner. That's one thing I need. Second thing is I need to cut a copy of my key for the Kia. So I need a second key for that. Third thing is I need to have fun, quite important, and also it's my mother's birthday coming up in about 3 weeks, so I'm gonna go look for a gift for her. Oh my gosh, dude, just drive. Cut me off like an idiot, and then he's not looking where he's going. But anyway, so yeah, fuck it. Let the road trip begin. What's up, guys? I just finished cutting my key. Now I'm here at Ford, gonna do some car spotting, check out some new rides, see what they have. And the bonus is Ford is right next to Land Rover, and Land Rover in Namibia sells me the F-Type. Not me, but someone. Lots and lots of pickups here. Not really the car I'm looking for. That is the car I'm looking for. Ford! 5.0 Mustang. I think it's got the Coyote V8. Cost $845,000. Love the freaking color. It's amazing. It's open. It's open. Oh my god. Ooh. Wow, look at this interior. Not a lot of leg room though. I could get used to this. Oh, wow. Wow, I am super stoked about this. Great car, great color. In Namibia we don't get the GT. In Namibia we don't get the GT350 or the R. Basically we just get the 5.0. Almost costs $1 million. I'm not sure what that is in US dollars, but I'll definitely have to check out. And it's on special. So yeah. If you're into pickup trucks, let me just see if I can walk around here. Hope it's open. The Ford Ranger. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a Ranger. But it looks pretty sweet. Wow. I love the display inside. Very nice car, very comfortable. Nice. Here, I've moved into Land Rover. They're also called Jaguars. Jaguar. This is the F-Type. 3-liter supercharged V6. Oh my gosh. Look at those brakes, are massive. This car is one of the prettiest things I've seen all day. Okay. Oh! The guys over at Land Rover were kind enough to open up this car for me. Now I'm going to do something crazy and sit in it. I hope they don't see me. I'm going to sit in an F-Type. Race. Oh my gosh, it's got the button to make the exhaust louder. Look at that. 300 kilometers an hour. Guys, I have to admit, I'm going to work a lot harder. Probably buy me one of these. Well, I need your views to help me buy one of these. So, keep liking this video. Apparently, the way you determine whether it's a 5-liter or a 3-liter supercharged is by the exhaust tips. 3-liter V6 on either side, 5-liter V8. Look at the car. So basically now is, I asked the guys to start it up so you guys can hear the exhaust. Thanks so much, buddy. Oh my gosh, here it comes, guys. Here it comes, here it comes. Shout out to Ford, Land Rover. They really hooked me up. Saw some great cars. Now I'm off to the mall. Go see what I can find. Buy something nice for my mom. Yeah, maybe have some lunch. We'll see. Laters. Today is the following day. I know I didn't make an outro video. I was too damn tired. So yeah, I finally got what I wanted to get. Got the key cut. Got my mom a nice gift. Did a little bit of shopping. And now I'm just heading out. Going back home. And guys, thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe. See you next.